One of the biggest complaints about AI in support is that it makes conversations sound robotic and cold. And honestly, if it's just scripts and canned responses, people are kind of right to feel this way. But that's not the future of AI in customer experience. The future of AI isn't scripted. And to be honest, it shouldn't actually be linked directly to your end customer. The future it's in being of assistance to your human customer support agent. AI should understand intent, context, and tone, then give all the information as quickly as possible to your agent so they can respond with empathy. Think about it. AI can free your team to meet people where they are with answers that feel personal, relevant, and real. That's when AI stops being a wall between you and your customers and starts being a bridge. And that's what keeps trust, loyalty, and growth alive.